and say. Pen, 10 taka. Pencil, 10 taka. Eraser, 6 taka. Bag, for 50 taka. Crayons, 100 taka. Pencil case, 120 taka. Pepper, 2 taka. Sharpener, 5 taka. Listen and say.
Can I help you?
Yes, please. I'd like 2 pens, a pencil and a piece of paper.
Anything else?
Yes, a pencil case, please.
Okay, that's 50 taka.
Here you are.
You gave me 200 taka. That's 50 taka change.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Bye. Come again.
Do activity B from your textbook. Answer the following questions.
What did Tanya buy?
If you want to listen again, then click on the repeat button.
Pair work. Act the dialogues from activity B.